Good morning, primary one. How are you today? Hope all of you are great and everything is okay. Who can tell me how many days are there in a week? 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and finally Saturday. Okay, today we are going to continue chapter 4, which is talking about adding multiples of 10 from 2 digits and 3D shapes which are solids. Let's start the first topic together. Okay, but first, who can remind me when we subtract two numbers from each other? I will start subtracting with the ones home or with the tens home. Exactly, I will start subtracting with the ones home. Okay, we can do the same on the addition. When we add two digits with each other, we start adding with the ones home first, then adding the tens home. So when we add 45 plus 24, the first step I have to put the home of each digit. So here 5 is the ones and 4 is the tens. 24, 4 is the ones and 2 is the tens. Now let's add the ones home together. 5 plus 4. Put 5 plus 4, put 5 in my mind, 4 in my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will write 9 on the ones home. Now let's add the tens home. 4 plus 2. Put 4 in my mind, 2 in my finger. After 4, 5, 6. So I will write 6 on the tens home. So the answer now is 69. The answer now is 69. Now let's move to examples. Find the result. So number A, 52 plus 23. The first step I have to write the home of the each digit. So I will write here ones home and tens home. The second step I have to add the ones home first. So 2 plus 3. Put 3 in my mind, 2 in my finger. After 3, 4, 5. So I will write 5 on the ones home. Excellent. 2 plus 5. Put 5 in my mind, 2 in my finger. After 5, 6, 7. So I will write 7 on the tens home. So the answer now is 75. Number B, 37 plus 12. Let's start adding the ones home. Let's start. 7 plus 2. Put 7 in my mind, 2 in my finger. After 7, 8, 9. So I will write 9 on the ones home. Now let's add the tens home together. 3 plus 1. Which is bigger, 3 or 1? 3. So I put 3 in my mind, 1 in my finger. After 3, 4. Excellent. So I will write 4 on the tens home. So the answer now is 49. Number F, 25 plus 3. So who can remind me when I have one digit like 3? So this number is ones or tens? Exactly, it's ones. So where are the tens here? The tens it will be 0. Now let's start adding what? Ones home. 5 plus 3. Put 5 in my mind, 3 in my finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write 8 on the ones home. Now let's add the tens home. 2 plus 0. When I see 0, bye 0. I will write 2 again. So the answer it will be 28. You can complete the rest of the page. I think it's too easy. Now let's move to the next topic, which is talking about the solids. But listen well to this video.
I'm a 3D shape expert. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and an orange I have right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. D shape that people call a sphere. are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A soda can, a pencil shaft, and a can of soup would be examples of a cylinder, as you can plainly see. A marker, a glass of milk, and a peanut butter jar are all examples of a cylinder. Yes, I'm sure they are. A cube and a cone. An ice cube, a cardboard box, and a Christmas present for you are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. My little dice, a sugar cube, and blocks that I use are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. An ice cream cone, a pencil tip, and a megaphone are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone.
Okay guys, so now let's starting the 3D shape, which are solids. So let's see the first shape with us today. So what's your name? My name is Cube. What's your name? My name is Cube. Okay, but first, who can remind me? The straight line on the 2D shape is called what? Excellent! The straight line on 2D shape is called side. So, it's a side. And when we intersect two sides with each other, this point is called what? This meeting point is called what? Is called vertex. Great job. So, now we are in 3D, not 2D. So the straight line on the 3D shape is called edge. And when with the two edges intersect with each other, this meeting point also is called vertex. This meeting point is called vertex, and this straight line on the 3D shape is called edge. So this is the vertex and this is the edge. So we have an extra property here on the 3D shapes is the face. We have a surface or the flat face of each shape. So let's know about the cube. How many vertices do we have in the cube? So count with me, how many vertices do we have? Vertex means the meeting point between two edges. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 vertices. Now, how many edges do we have on the cube? 1, 2, 3, 4. Edge means straight line. So here I have 4 up and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4 down. So the total number now is 8. Let's count. 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 edges. Edges mean the straight line. Edges mean straight line on the 3D shapes. Now let's count how many faces do we have. Faces mean the surface or the face of the shape. So how can I count the face of each shape? Up and down, 1 and 2. So here, up and down, 1, 2. Right and left, 3, 4. And two opposite faces, 5, 6. So I have 6 square faces. 6 faces. The shape of each face is square. Let's move to the next shape. What's your name? My name is Cuboid. What's your name? My name is Cuboid. Cuboid, how many edges do we have? How many straight lines do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many straight lines do we have? 12 edges. And how many vertices do we have? Vertices mean the meeting point between two edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 vertices and I have 12 edges. So now how many faces do we have? So we mentioned before the number of faces is up and down 1 and 2, right and left 3 and 4, 2 opposite 5 and 6. So I have 6 faces. The shape of each face is rectangle. The shape of each face is rectangle. Let's move to the next shape. What's your name? My name is Sphere. What's your name? My name is Sphere. Here I have no straight line, so I don't have edges. So here I have no edges. And also I don't have any vertices because the vertex is the meeting point between two straight lines. And here I don't have any straight line. And this is one curved face. The sphere has one curved face. Let's move to the next shape. What's your name? My name is Cylinder. This is not straight line, it's a curve. So here, do we have any straight line? No. So we have no edges and also I have no vertices, but I have two circular faces. Let's move to the next shape, which is the square pyramid. What's your name? My name is the square pyramid. Okay, could you tell me how many faces do we have? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the bottom 5. I have 5 faces. I have 5 faces. And how many vertices do we have? The meeting point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have also 5 vertices. So I have 5 vertices. Now, how many edges do we have? Edge means straight line. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 edges. So the faces here, I have 4 faces in the shape of triangle and the bottom face in shape of a square. On shape of square, look, this is a square on the base. Okay, let's move to the next shape. What's your name? My name is Cone. Here I have no straight line, so I have no edges and no vertices. And the cone is the one curved face and it has on the top it has a point, so it's called pointy top. Now let's move to the examples. Let's see. What is it? It's a ball or a sphere. So here, do we have any straight line? No. So we have 0 edges. Do we have any vertices or corners? Of course not, because we didn't have any edges, so we have 0 corners. Do we have any faces? Yes, I have one curved face. Let's see the next example. What's your name? My name is Cylinder. Here, do we have any straight line? We mentioned before that's not straight line, it's a curve. So here, do we have any straight line? No. So we didn't have any edges. So, of course, I didn't have any corners or vertices because the vertex is the meeting point between two sides. Do we have here any faces? Yes, I have 2 circular faces. In each face, the shape of each face is circle. So you have to write the circle. You can complete the rest of the page. Thank you for watching and goodbye.